Hello. So I'm so excited. I've been waiting 3 days, which is pretty good for international, for my Melanin hair care package, and I finally got it today. If you guys don't know, Natural85, a natural hair YouTuber, created a line called Melanin. Jesus, I can't even talk. Melanin hair care. She has 4 products, 2 hairstylers and 2 hair accessories, twisting cream, and the multi-purpose oil. And then she also has the head wrap and the head visor. So I got all 4 things. Didn't get a lollipop. Okay, even though I had to pay $30 clearance because I live in Canada. I had to pay $30 to get my package. And the joke is I got free shipping online because I spent over $45-50, but then I had to pay $50 shipping. So, okay, fine, whatever. It is what it is. So I'm really excited. Finally came. I'm going to show you guys the unboxing. Okay, I already opened it because I got one hand. So this is what it looks like inside. Pretty Whitney. Postcard, whatever. Melanin Bay. So I got the head wrap. Looks huge. I'm gonna open that in a second. Twisting cream. Oh, this is huge. This is the twisting cream. Shea butter and natural oils. Twist elongating style cream. And of course I got the oil, and I got the visor because springtime coming and I need a nice cap for when I wear a lot of high puffs. So this is the big boy of the bunch. This is what everybody's talking about. This is what everybody's waiting to use. I'm actually really excited to use this. I'm obviously, for obvious reasons, I'm not going to use it yet when I take down my braids. But I heard really good things about this cream. I heard that it's very moisturizing, that it's good for building on top of other products, which is so important because who really uses one product, one styler when they're styling their hair? Although sometimes when you're just not trying to do too much, but sometimes when you're trying to get a certain look or definition, you want to build on top of your items. So I really like that was a plus. Another plus, 16 ounces. That is huge. That's more than average. I'm used to, okay, I'm not trying to hate on Miel Organics. I love Miel Organics, but I bought this amazing hydrating conditioner, and it's only 8 ounces. A conditioner, not like a cream or like a gel. It's actually like a deep conditioner, and it's only 8 ounces. So happy, 16 ounces. It's shea butter and natural oils. It's supposed to elongate the hair. First few items are water, shea butter, glycerol stearate, so a few healthy alcohols, but nonetheless it's pretty natural. Apparently it's lightweighted and very moisturizing. You can use on wet or dry hair, and this is the size, 16 ounces. That's an amazing size. So as far as visuals, smell, that type of thing, it smells like regular shea butter, but it reminds me of chocolate. I don't know if it's just because I'm a chocoholic and I love chocolate and the scent of chocolate, but it kind of reminds me of chocolate, but it is a shea butter. It smells like shea butter. It's not strong though. It's very faint, very subtle, but it smells good. not going anywhere. That's how thick it is. Has a whipped consistency, but it's thick, but then when you touch it, it's so light. It's not like, you know, those creams where they're thick and then they're on your hand and they're like heavy on your hand. This is actually really light on my hand. It's like melting into my skin. Use now is the multi-purpose pure oil blend. So this is 8 ounces. It has where is it? Baobab oil, argan oil, and vitamin E. Good for detangling, softening, and sealing the hair. So there's so many ways to use this. I'm probably gonna have like 8 ways that I'm gonna use this because it was like $16. It's lightweight, so a little goes a long way. So my most favorite part, the part I've been waiting for, I actually have been waiting for the head wrap because I don't own a head wrap. Isn't that crazy? Every natural girl has a head wrap, but I don't. For some reason, I just never had a head wrap. I don't know. I have a bonnet to sleep in. I have a scarf to sleep in, but I don't have a head wrap, like something to wear out. So I got so excited when I seen that she was selling a head wrap, and it's huge. So I'm excited for that, especially now that I'm nearing the process of hair takedown and I'm not really feeling my edges anymore. I'm going to be using this a lot. And also the visor is so cute. It's the material, it's not like cotton or something harsh on curly hair. It's very smooth and flexible, easy to put on. So when you have that big poof going on, this is good for you. When the sun is out. That's pretty much it. I'm planning to do a tutorial on how to wrap box braids up when you are too lazy to take them out, when you know it's time to take them out but you haven't taken them out yet because A, you feel like crap, and 2, you're not trying to do it. When I do my takedown next week, I'm gonna have a tutorial on flat twist and a wash and go. So until then, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.